In this video, we'll discuss how to use Liferay DXP to manage user accounts. We'll discuss things from the perspective of a business practitioner, someone who wants to use Liferay for creating and sharing content and accessing web applications. The key points for this module are first, that users on the Liferay platform can be created directly, or they can be imported from existing data stores, such as LDAP servers. Second, Liferay DXP can be used to organize users into hierarchical structures that are designed to reflect the way real-world organizations are structured. Liferay DXP can also be used to group users into flat groups. Before you begin the exercises, make sure that you've downloaded and installed the Java JDK, which you can download from the link on the slide. The second link includes detailed installation instructions. Also, make sure that you've already installed Liferay. On Windows, we recommend that you install to the C:/Liferay directory. The important point here is just to use a short path. And on Unix systems, Mac and Linux, we recommend installing to your user home/Liferay directory. Our use case pertains to the Livingston Hotels and Resorts organization. This is a large hotel chain that needs user structures to represent their department structure, their hotel and resort groups, and their rewards customers. The relevant key performance indicators for the Livingston organization are first, they want to increase the number of users on their platform, and second, they want to improve the organizational structures of their platform users. So, how can you import users into your Liferay DXP system? In Liferay, there are two primary methods for importing and authenticating outside users into Liferay. First, you can import users from an LDAP system. Second, you can use a single sign-on mechanism, such as OAuth2 or SAML, so that users who've authenticated to one of your external systems can also authenticate to Liferay. The Liferay DXP authentication settings can be used to control the user authentication protocols, the user password protocols, as well as account verification and creation protocols. LDAP integration allows administrators to keep the Liferay system and their LDAP system in sync, determining which data needs to be imported from the LDAP server and which data that may have been updated on the Liferay side needs to be exported back to the LDAP server. Liferay supports some alternate forms of authentication, including single sign-on options, as well as OAuth2 authorized screen configuration. Some of the single sign-on options include CAS server, token-based single sign-on, Facebook Connect, OpenID Connect, and OpenSSO. Now it's time for a knowledge check. Liferay has two primary methods for importing and authenticating outside users: importing users from an LDAP server, SSO, OAuth2, and SAML authentication options. Administrators can keep Liferay and LDAP in sync by specifying which data needs to be imported and exported.